Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the app and account. Start by opening Wallet Now and tapping Add Gift Card. Enter the code exactly as printed or use your camera to scan. This links value to your Uber balance immediately. Once done, confirm the dollar amount appears under Payment Methods. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to sign into the one you'll use for the ride, otherwise funds won't apply. This first action binds the gift card so you can select it later when requesting a trip. Request your ride and pause at the payment step. Tap Payment and select your Uber Cash or gift card balance as the primary method. If the fare exceeds the card, decide whether to add a backup card now or enable split payment with another person. This prevents a decline charge at trip start. Once the chosen method shows beneath the trip details, review the estimated fare and confirm. This ensures the gift card will cover the portion you expect when the driver accepts. After the ride, open your trip receipt and verify the payment line shows your gift card or Uber Cash deduction. This confirms success. If it didn't apply, go back to Wallet and recheck the gift card balance. Sometimes codes fail to attach and need re-entry. If a charge was declined, try the backup card immediately or re-add the gift code, then contact Uber support with the gift code and trip ID for help. Following these steps resolves most payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.